Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a document on DocuSign. So if you're currently working on a document, let me go to lease at the top here and click N. This document that I'm currently working on, or this list, and click and continue. Now, once you're inside in this editing your of your agreement or your document, you can easily delete it by hover over the document and look at the upper right and you'll find X. You can click on that to delete the document, or if you click the three dots here in the lower right, you also have the option to delete document as well. Click and delete again, and that's how you delete the document. So guys, there you have it. If you ever need to delete a document on DocuSign, so let's say you're working on an agreement, you upload a file and it's the wrong file and ever need to delete it, that's how you can easily delete those documents. Another way you can, let's say, delete it is by replacing it. So I'm going to upload another document here. So let's say I upload this file, and let's say this is the file that I didn't want to use, but I want to use something else. I can click through that as well and click on replace. That's going to allow me to replace the document with something else. And that's another way of, let's say, kind of deleting the document. But instead of deleting and upload, you can just replace itself as well. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.